Hi, welcome to Pros. Shopify maintenance for your store is important to ensure its continued growth, prevent downtime through avoidable mistakes, and prevent potential revenue loss. If you are new to the online business world, you may be wondering if you need Shopify support and maintenance services. We create a development plan alongside your internal team. We will then continually work on developing and improving your site. We conduct regular and strict site audits. These enable us to identify small issues and take care of them before they escalate into full-blown reverses. We offer a comprehensive Shopify support package that includes the uninterrupted monitoring of your site all year long. Upgrading to the latest version of Shopify ensures the implementation of advanced features and functionality. We offer 24/7 customer support for unforeseen and fast bug fixes to ensure 99.99% uptime and optimum performance. Thank you for watching the video. Please contact us for a free consultation.